everyone, it's Ritika here and welcome to Guided by Rits. This is my first video, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I know that I'm going to overcome it just like you guys. So, first of all, thank you so much to have me here and also joining me in my journey. This space and this video is all going to be about tarot reading. My channel is going to be about tarot and intuitive readings. We will be talking about other things as well, but the main theme remains tarot. So firstly, welcome to my channel. Secondly, I hope you guys have subscribed to my channel because I'm gonna be coming up with more such videos. अगर यहाँ पे आप नए हो तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि ये वीडियो होने वाला है about the next chapter of your life. So I have two piles with me. This is pile 1 and I have another pile. This is pile 2. So these are the two piles. Whichever you are drawn to the most, आप उस pile के time stamp पे जा सकते हो and you can see the reading yourself. Now let's get started with the reading. I really hope this resonates with you. अगर आपके साथ resonate करता है, so as a part of your energy exchange, do make sure to comment on my video that this resonated with you and कौन से part के साथ resonate कर रहा है ये ज़रूर बताना. And subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. It will give me more motivation to come up with such videos. So we have our pile 1 with us. We are going to start with pile 1 and this is about the next chapter of your life. पहले हम देखेंगे कि आप अभी जो next chapter आने वाला है उसमें आप पीछे क्या छोड़ने वाले हो, and then I will see what all is coming into your next life. What next chapter, I'm sorry, next life नहीं, next chapter के बारे में. So let's get started and let's see कि आपका क्या दिखा रहा है कि what are you going to leave behind. So let's put your first, understand your current energies first. I'm going to pull out 3 cards. Yeah, so I'm going to show you. These are the 3 cards that came to me. Let me tell you the meaning अब, ठीक है. पहला कार्ड जो मुझे दिख रहा है, this is the first card, okay. This first card is the 8 of Swords. 8 of Swords ऐसा एक कार्ड है which shows self-doubt. It means that currently you are in a lot of self-doubt. आप अपने आप को ही भरोसा नहीं कर रहे हो तो फिर दूसरे कैसे करेंगे. In simple terms, you need to get out of this self-doubt. If you can see properly, the lady is actually bounded but not her feet, right? She can definitely go back to her original self but she is not. So you need to understand that whatever doubt and problems are there currently in your life, whatever issues you guys are facing, वो जा सकता है but आपको अपने ऊपर भरोसा करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. The second card that I have with me is this. This is the 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups जब भी आता है इसका मतलब होता है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा डे ड्रीमिंग कर रहे हो, आप बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो किसी चीज़ को लेके. So you are right now confused about a lot of things. Could be your life, could be your financial status, could be something else. But इस confusion से बाहर आना बहुत ज़्यादा important है and that is what you have to leave behind. So before moving to what you're going to leave behind, let me explain the other card. The third card is the 3 of Cups. 3 of Cups usually is a very good card in terms of, you know, partnership, in terms of your friends, family, networking and stuff, but here could have a different meaning. So जब मैं ये तीनों cards एक साथ देख रही हूँ आपके, I can tell you what exactly does this mean. So पहले हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं, आप self doubt से शुरुआत करते हैं. आप बहुत ज़्यादा self doubt कर रहे हो अपने आप को. So definitely self doubt is something you should leave behind. And instead of just thinking about what to do, there are so many possibilities. एक के साथ शुरुआत कीजिए. You will definitely get better at things one at a time. And also I can see that you are currently very much dependent on the person who are nearby you. So what I can see is that pile number 1, you should definitely leave behind your self-doubt. You should leave behind getting confused about few things. Do not opt for multiple options. एक चीज़ पे फोकस कीजिए, मैक्सिमम 2 चीज़ पे फोकस कीजिए, क्योंकि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो एक साथ 2-3 चीज़ें करना पसंद करते हैं, जैसे कि मैं. I mean, I am somebody who loves to read, who loves to write, who loves to sing, dance, and also do tarot reading and occult practices. I'm also an HR in corporate field, but this is my passion project that I'm doing, and I'm also starting with things. So yeah. So what I can see is that the main thing that you should leave behind is your self-doubt. You should not restrict yourself. You should come out of your bubble. The second thing that I'm going to talk about is you daydreaming about things, being in illusion about things, so get out of it. And the third thing is dependency on others. It's really good to be social and it's really good to have connections, but sometimes when you're too much dependent on it, तो चीज़ें थोड़ी सी different हो जाती है. So now let's see what is coming into your life next as a next chapter. So I'm going to shuffle your cards again to understand क्या आ रहा है आपकी chapter में. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये जो वीडियो है वो पूरी तरह आपसे रेजोनेट करे, इसीलिए आप एक काम कीजिए, इस वीडियो पे कमेंट कर दीजिए, आई क्लेम द एनर्जीज, यू सो गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड, और you can comment something nice as well so that we exchange energies in this video, right? And then also you comment what are your wishes for the next chapter so that we have a more clarity, more vision about it. Now I'm going to see what all is going to come in your next chapter of life. Yeah, so the first, oh my god, this is such a positive card, guys. It's such a positive card. World is a card which shows the completion of a cycle. It means you've been working so hard on something, you've been putting all your strategies, all your efforts into something, and वो चीज़ complete होने वाली है. So get really happy about this thing. It's a very positive card. Let's pull out the other cards. Wow, this is also an amazing card. Pile 1, you're gonna be lucky, you're gonna be accomplishing things. And then this is a six of cups. Six of cups usually ये दिखाता है कि हो सकता है कि you're gonna spend more time with people who you were friends with in your childhood. आपके childhood friends वापस आने वाले हैं, childhood connections वापस आने वाले हैं. If we see this from your love perspective, I can also see that somebody from your past is going to come back and stay with you. So yeah, there is this thing. Let's put out oh my god, wow, I mean, this is one of the happiest readings I've ever done. Then this is the Six of Wands. Six of Wands हमें ये बताता है कि आप जिस तरीके से काम कर रहे हो उसमें recognition आने वाला है. You'll be valued at places, be it at your home, because I can see home here. Okay, this is related to home. हो सकता है कि आपके घर पे आपका value बढ़ने वाला है. आप जो भी बातें करते हो, जो भी काम करते हो, वो recognition में आने वाला है. And definitely your work is going to get completed. This is such a nice card, guys. So the next chapter in your life is all about completion, all about recognition, all about going back to the things that which made you happy. This card also means a lot about your inner child. I can see that you're making your inner child happy. इसका मतलब ये हो सकता है कि क्या पता आप अपने पुरानी चीज़ों से रिकनेक्ट कर रहे हो अब. जैसे कि अगर बचपन में आपको स्विमिंग पसंद थी, बचपन में आपको डांस पसंद था, बचपन में आपको सिंगिंग पसंद थी, तो आप फिर से उन चीज़ों से अगर रिकनेक्ट करते हो तो आपको बहुत खुशी मिलेगी, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, so this is the reading for pile number 1. Because this is my first video, I'm gonna keep it short, sweet and to the point. So I really hope you guys could resonate to pile number 1. If you did, make sure to comment below that I resonate and कौन सा ऐसा part था जो आप सबसे ज़्यादा resonate कर रहे थे. मैं फिर से आपको pile सारे दिखाती हूँ. The first कार्ड जो हमने देखा था कि what you should leave behind to accept the next chapter of your life. I'm going to show it all. Self doubt हटा दीजिए, illusion में मत जिए, और डिपेंडेंसी आप हटा दीजिए, इंडिपेंडेंट होने का सोचिए. And then we have the other piles with me. The first that came out is the world. It means everything that you're trying to manifest. It means everything that you're working towards. It's going to get completed. Mark my words. And then we have something related to your home, something related to comfort and inner child. So definitely give more importance to your inner child. Make sure you're doing things which makes you happy as a person. And the third card is recognition. You will be recognized. You'll be valued. And it also sees that whatever work that you're doing currently or you're going to do in the next chapter of your life, you'll be happier than current. I really hope you resonated with it. If you did, like, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome to my channel, pile number 2. This is your reading about the next chapter of your life. चलो देखते हैं कि आपके next chapter में क्या चीज़ें हैं. But before we discuss about what's going to come in your next chapter, it's very important for you to understand your current energies and what all you should leave behind to make space for the next chapter of your life. Okay, I've pulled out your card. The first card that I can see is the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands आया है आपका. The second card is a very good card. The second card is the Ten of Cups. Okay, and also the Nine of Cups. ठीक है, तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि क्या होता है आपका reading. Right. So I can see your current energies is that you're currently struggling a lot. ठीक है, आप बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो किसी चीज़ को लेके. एंड स्ट्रगल का मतलब सिर्फ स्ट्रगल करना इन द सैड वे नहीं है. स्ट्रगल का मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि आप हसल कर रहे हो. अभी कुछ लोग जो मेरे को देख रहे हैं वो ये सोच रहे हैं कि मैं जॉब करूँ या मैं बिजनेस करूँ, और आप दोनों तरफ ही बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स दे चुके हो. बट कहीं ना कहीं आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि एफर्ट देने के बाद भी इतना ही रिजल्ट आ रहा है, इतना ही आउटपुट आ रहा है, तो मैं और क्यों रिजल्ट दूँ. बट आपकी करंट एनर्जीज क्या बोल रही है, अगर आप रिजल्ट्स पे फोकस ना करके कर्म पे फोकस करो, काम पे फोकस करो, यू विल गेट द बेस्ट ऑफ बोथ वर्ल्ड्स. यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग. सी, दिस पर्सन हु इज हैविंग 9 of cups is very happy with all the cups, with all the emotions, because he has worked hard towards the things, and this is a card of fulfillment. 10 of cups, you will be very happy, your family is going to be very happy, but given that you don't focus on your struggles, you focus on the things that you have done so far, and almost अपना नाइन्थ नंबर देखो, आप कंप्लीशन के बहुत पास आ चुके हो, बट आप फिर रुक चुके हो. तो रुको मत, यू हैव टू शो कंसिस्टेंसी. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई विल से इज दैट स्टॉप थिंकिंग टू मच. ओवर थिंक बहुत करते हो आप लोग, एंड यू नो फोकस लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इनटू फोकसिंग कि क्या आपने खोया है छोड़ के आप ये फोकस करो क्या आप पाओगे. आई कैन ऑल्सो सी कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते हो. यू शुड स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर, बिकॉज प्रेजेंट में जीना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, प्रेजेंट में जीना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो आई एम गोना शो यू द 3 cards दैट केम फॉर यू. दिस इज द कार्ड एंड दिस इज द कार्ड. अब आपको क्या छोड़ना है टू मेक स्पेस फॉर द न्यू चैप्टर कमिंग इन टू योर लाइफ. सो what I'll suggest is that the first thing that you should do is to leave behind the thoughts that makes you think about the results. दूसरी चीज़ ये, फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचना बंद कर दो, प्रेजेंट के बारे में सोचिए, अपने फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए, एंड डोंट थिंक अबाउट व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन नेक्स्ट. Think about how you're going to spend whatever you have with right now. Okay, now we're going to see what is the next chapter all about. I really want you to be very excited about it. अगर ये अभी पहले वाली रीडिंग जो मैंने की about what you should leave behind, if you relate to it, make sure to like, subscribe, and also comment below what resonated with you. Energy exchange करो, तब तक मैं आपको बताती हूँ what's coming next into your life. Okay, right. So let's see what has come into your reading कि आपका next chapter किस बारे में होना चाहिए. जो पहला मुझे कार्ड दिख रहा है वो है पेज ऑफ कप्स. पेज ऑफ कप्स एक ऐसा कार्ड है जो आपके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लाता है. जब भी ये कार्ड आता है ना, इट मीन्स समथिंग अनएक्सपेक्टेड बट सरप्राइज इज कमिंग योर वे, विच इज़ अ ब्लिसफुल सरप्राइज. ऐसा भी हो सकता है जो चीज़ आप एक्सपेक्ट ना करें और अचानक से हो जाए. किसी इंसान का कॉल, किसी इंसान का मैसेज, किसी करियर से रिलेटेड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, या फिर कोई एक्साइटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी या फिर एक सरप्राइज आने वाला है. और जो दूसरा आपका कार्ड है ना, वो 10 of Pentacles है. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपका जो सरप्राइज है, इट इज गोइंग टू बी रिलेटेड टू मनी. आई मीन गाइज, यू गोटा बी रिच, एंड ऐसा वैसा रिच नहीं होगा. ठीक है, ये कुछ हो सकता है आपकी फैमिली से रिचनेस, हो सकता है कि आपके मम्मी पापा के साइड वाले लोग, आपके बड़े इंसान, आपके घर के बड़े इंसान आपको कुछ ऐसा गिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं या फिर पैसा गिफ्ट करने वाले हैं. तो ये डेफिनेटली हो सकता है. इन योर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ लाइफ आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ जस्टिस. हो सकता है कि आप एज अ इंसान अपने आप के साथ जस्टिस करोगे, दूसरों के साथ जस्टिस करोगे, या फिर जो आपने काम किए हैं उसके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा जस्टिस होते हुए मुझे दिख रहा है. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि आप सत्य के पथ पे चलोगे, आप मतलब झूठ नहीं बोलोगे. हो सकता है कि कभी कभी इंसान झूठ बोल देता है, ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो इंसान गलत है. कभी कभी स्ट्रेस में, कभी कभी किसी और सिचुएशन की वजह से इंसान झूठ बोल देता है. बट राइट नाउ यू गोना गेट एन एपिफनी. आपको ऐसा फील होगा कि अरे नहीं, मुझे ना अब सच्चाई से चलना चाहिए, मुझे अपने साथ, अपने 5 सालों के साथ सच्चाई से बातें करनी चाहिए. सो डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. एंड अगेन एज आई सेड दैट योर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर विल ब्रिंग यू सम काइंड ऑफ अ ब्यूटिफुल सरप्राइज. इफ यू वांट टू क्लेम दिस रीडिंग, comment down a beautiful surprise and see how the magic happens. अगर ऐसा होता है within the next 1 week, you're gonna come back into this video and comment कि रितिका ये सच में हुआ है. Or you can call me Ritz as my name suggests, guided by Ritz. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And okay, so I'm gonna give you a rundown about things. The first thing that you need to do is to leave behind what is making your life stagnant. The first thing is to leave, thinking about the results. Stop thinking about the results, you're going to get it. Then you should stop thinking about the future. Definitely your future is going to be beautiful, but you don't need to thinking about again and again about this, okay? Then you need to stop thinking about will people recognize me or not. You will be getting recognized. Then about your next chapter of life, these are the cards about the next chapter of your life. Page of Cups is going to give you some kind of new opportunity. If it's in love, I can see some kind of a new message from somebody known or somebody from your past, or could be somebody new, but it's going to be a blissful message. So this is all for pile number 2. I really hope you guys resonated with it. Agar resonate kiya to comment kijiye, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys. And with this my reading comes to an end. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा रीडिंग करके आप लोगों के लिए, एंड मैं चाहती हूँ मैं फिर से और वीडियोस बनाऊँ रिगार्डिंग द रीडिंग्स, and if you really like my readings, you can subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and come back for more such readings. I will be uploading 2 videos per week, so make sure that you follow me, subscribe me, and shorts regular aate rahengi. If you want to book a personal reading with me, if you want to book a personal one-on-one reading with me, do connect with me on my Instagram channel, that is Guided by Ritz. You can follow me there, connect with me there, DM me for more details. अगर आप चाहते हो डायरेक्टली बुक करना मेरे साथ एक गाइडेंस कॉल, बहुत ही मिनिमल रेट में है मेरा गाइडेंस कॉल अभी. आई विल टैग द लिंक इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, एंड ऑल्सो टाइम स्टैम्प्स मिल जाएंगे आपको हर चीज़ के लिए. सो प्लीज़ stay connected with me. I'll see you in the next video.